How about listening to one song and earning $5, 2 songs for $10, and 10 songs for $50, and so on? By the way, I made almost $900 from the websites that I will show you in this video. How fun it is to earn money by just listening to music. Here how it works. First step, go to pixabay.com and then hit a music tab. If it does not appear, type pixabay.com/music. You will see that they have royalty-free music tracks that are accessible for anyone to download and to enjoy listening. As you're seeing now from the search box, you can easily search for a song, artist, genre, and even some music to listen in a certain mode. Scroll down on this website. As you can see, there are all of these music tracks that can be downloaded on any device with no limits of music downloads, and even without paying any money. This website does not only provide you to listen to music and download it, but there is a nice twist on this website, and you will be able to get money day by day and over again by using such a method daily. Imagine the total of money on a daily basis into your account if you are just going to listen to 50 or even 100 of songs on a single day. Do not worry if you do not have an idea about making money online, or you are even a beginner. That website is very simple to make money. So now get your laptop or smartphone to follow along with the video. But first, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to be updated about making money online by MoneyFlow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be updated whenever I drop a new video. On this page, we are going to see a variety of thousands of different songs, but we are not going to download any song we are seeing here. I will show you a few special tips that I used, and that will help you with getting much more cash. Back to our website, let's go on the left side of the page. We will see all these music listed under different genres. First we have electronic upbeat beats, beautiful plays, alternative hip-hop, main title, music, ambient, and lots of other genres that are showing here. There are different songs, and each single song can almost make you $5, and that is for each song again and again. So now here is what you're going to do. Simply come here and click on the play button so the song starts. You can listen to it until it finishes. And if you feel you liked it and you think people may be interested to listen to such a song, you can now move to the next step, but by chance you did not like the song even though some people might not like it too. So skip it and listen to another song. For this video, I'm going to search for pop music in the search bar in Google. I picked the pop music because it is really viral nowadays, so it will let you earn money faster. By using this genre, and now simply like before, click the play button to hear the song. I will listen to it for a few seconds and tell if it is a good pop song. If I'm going to be asked, it is a fun song to listen to, and I'm going to play it again and again. The coming step is to download that song on your computer. We are going to repeat this step several times, listening to the songs we are selecting, and we think we enjoy to listen to, and then downloading them on your laptop to get ready for the next step. Do not forget, more songs you download gives you more money. So my advice is to spend more time listening and downloading the songs you like. Now stick with us until the end of this video, and I'm sure you'll be able to make a lot more money while using the second website. And now, the second website you are going to is called up-4ever.com. What is Up4Ever is a free website that lets us share our music files to earn money. Now you are asking yourself how we are going to get paid when a lot of people download the same song and upload it on the website. How are we getting money? But the nice thing about adding your work on the internet is there is no limitation of your traffic. Millions of people from all over the world are looking for the same songs, so we are not going to get traffic from the source like everyone. As it's written on their website homepage, upload your files safely, and we then withdraw the profits from various payment methods, or you can convert these profits into products. How does this system works out? The system works when someone downloads the file that you will be uploading on their website. Some ads will appear which they can skip it or watch it, and that website is sharing this ad revenue with you, so that is how you and this website will make money. Let me show you how can you double your money. Now you can still make some good money by using these websites to earn hundreds of dollars every day, and gain some experience so that you can later use your experience to offer your services on big websites like Upwork and Fiverr, and other big platforms to make some good money, so make sure you get yourself some experience first from today's websites. Let us go back to making money. By the way, the signing up process is really simple. It only takes a minute to complete it. You only need to enter basic information about yourself here to log into your account. Simply type your login information here, and then press where it says, Make Money to see how this actually works. As we are seeing, they will give you the best pricing around the world. And that table down here is how much you are going to be earning, but it depends on where the most of your downloads will be coming from. For example, If most of your downloads are coming from Tier 4 countries, you will be earning $3. If your downloads are from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, you will earn $4. And if the downloads are from Tier 1 countries, you will be earning $7. That is all the different ways that you can withdraw your paid money on this website. You can use PayPal Pay or Web Money, Perfect Money, Pay Sarah ADV Cash, or you can choose any of these payment methods. By the way, the minimum payout on these is only for $1. That one is $1, that one is also $1. So when you reach the minimum threshold, you can withdraw any amount you have got. But if we scroll down, it shows that they have about 5 ways to get money from this website, and the one I prefer the most is that one here where you can start selling your files through your account, using this method on the account that you newly created. The good thing about those referrals is that you will get an extra profit of 10% from the total profit of users who register on your referral link, and that is totally sleep money. To set this up, go to the left side here where it shows all these features that you have got in your dashboard. Click here where it tells Upload Files, and on the next page click on Choose File, and just upload one of these songs that you have downloaded from Pixabay. You can type down the description of the song in here, and after that, make sure that it is set to public. After that, press on Start Upload in order to upload your files. After your files are uploaded, press on this pencil icon in order to set your desired price. I am just going to write $8 as the price for the song, so when people download the song, I will know about that amount. Repeat that procedure for many songs you wish to upload, and make sure that you first listen to the music tracks to decide if they are good and nice songs. You will find all the links for the website that we used in the description below. Check them out. Don't forget to turn on the post notification to be updated on how to make money online with the easiest and simplest ways. Subscribe to my channel, because there is a new methods on how to make money online that I will show you. Give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video. If you are interested about making money online and with the simplest and easiest ways, such as downloading and listening to music, so go and watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.